There are dreams and there are memories, and sometimes they come together in the same form. And that form is like a raging wind, gentle and smooth in its lines. It is a wind that lifts you up and thrills you to your core. It is a wind from long ago. Spring stories of races and victories, of laurels and applause. And now you feel the slender wood in your hands. Caress the throttle, and you hear the roar. It is the roar of a raging wind. A wind coming from long ago, bearing a story full of challenges overcome, like real life. Because it is real. Because dreams and memory are real. It is a story that has no end. It is a wind, and it has to fly. We have a raging wind in our hands, a wind looking for its new place, and that place could be with you. This Fiat 8 is the only coupe corsa of the 9 Vignale designed by Michelotti. It ran 14 races with its first bodywork up to 1957, and a further 23 races with its current bodywork from 1957 to 1960. Among them are Mille Miglia, 4 Rallye del Sestriere, 2 Coppa Intereuropa, and 2 Giro di Sicilia. A total of 37 certified races with high ranking in class.